Greetings, young scientists. Welcome yet to another exciting episode of 3D Questions from Steamspirations. I'm Mr. Lara, and I'm excited to help you unlock the secrets of science to master your state assessment. But before we jump into today's question, if you're looking to brush up on electricity basics, click the link at the top right corner of your screen to see a video that introduces this concept. Now let's spark our curiosity by looking at the question below. In this adjusted setup, students tested the conductivity of 6 objects in a circuit to see if a buzzer would sound. The outcomes as seen on the table were as follows. The rubber band made no sound. The straw made no sound. The coin, yes, it did make a sound. The glass marble did not make a sound. The key, yes, it made a sound. And the nail, yes, it also made a sound. So now we need to determine which of these objects are electrical insulators. To crack this electrifying code, we'll use our charge strategy. Check, hypothesize, apply, record, gauge, and evaluate. So here's how we apply it. C stands for check. Examine each object's reaction in the circuit test to discern which allowed electricity to pass. H stands for hypothesize. Predict which objects are conductors. They facilitate the flow of electricity. And which are insulators. They hinder electricity flow. A stands for apply. Compare our predictions with the actual observations. Are they in line with what we expected? R stands for record. Document the objects that when tested on the circuit failed to make the buzzer sound, indicating their role as insulators or their inability to allow electricity to flow through them. G stands for gauge. Consider the composition of these objects. What does their material tell us about their ability to conduct electricity? E stands for evaluate. Confirm which objects are insulators by reviewing which consistently prevented electricity from completing the circuit. Now let's use charge on our modified observations. Objects not causing the buzzer to sound were the rubber band, straw, glass marble, and they are marked as insulators because they don't allow electricity through. Conversely, objects that activate the buzzer, the coin, the key, and the nail are conductors, completing the circuit and facilitating electrical flow. As we examine the answer choices, let's reflect on these guiding questions. Which objects effectively block the electrical current, demonstrating they're insulators? Or in other words, out of the available choices, which one exclusively lists objects that didn't trigger the buzzer sound? Given what you know about the materials, which ones are usually not conducive to electricity? With these questions in mind, look at every answer choice and select the option that correctly identifies all the insulators, guided by our charge strategy. This means that every item listed in the answer choice needs to be an electrical insulator, which means when it was tested, it did not allow the buzzer to sound. So now let's note your choice and reasoning in your workbooks, and let's jump into a discussion in the comments below.